Good morning, O'Neill. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. It is Monday, May 11th, and can you believe it? Yesterday there was snow. Snow in May. Ugh, craziness all over the place. Well, today we have teachers back in the building packing up student materials and getting it ready to be picked up. I've sent out communication about those pickup days and what we're going to be doing. And so please take a look at that so you know what you're going to be doing on Friday, May 15th, Monday, May 18th, or Wednesday, May 20th. And so those are our student material pickup days. And I hope to see you then. Well, this week I've been thinking about math, and there are so many great books about math. So I have a few for you this week. And our first one is Each Orange Has 8 Slices. And I was thinking about first grade and all of the counting and all of the adding and subtracting and using 10 frames and all of that you've been doing this year. And I thought it would be great to read this book today in Miss Ostrowski's room. So let's get started with Each Orange Has 8 Slices. And I hope you can count along with me. So on my way to the playground, I saw 3 red flowers. Each red flower had 6 pretty petals. Each petal had 2 tiny black bugs. So how many red flowers were there? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3. How many pretty petals were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And how many tiny bugs were there in all? Now, we could count them all one by one, or what else could we do? We could multiply by 2. So let's see. First, we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it's by 2s, so I can count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. So 36 ants. Oh my goodness. On my way to school, I saw 3 kids. Each kid rode a tricycle. Each tricycle has 3 wheels. Let's see if we can do this one. How many kids were there? 1, 2, 3. Got that one. How many tricycles were there? 1, 2, 3. How many wheels were there? Well, each tricycle has 3. So if we multiply 3, 6, 9. 9 wheels in all. I don't know, is it going to get harder? Whoa, quack, 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 quack. On my way to the zoo, I saw 3 wadding ducks. Each duck had 4 babies trailing behind. Each duck said quack, 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 quack. How many wadding ducks were there? 1, 2, 3. How many baby ducks were there? Well, 3 times 4, 12. And how many quacks were there in all? Oh my goodness, that's a lot of quacks. So 5, and they each said it 3 times. So each group is 15. Ooh, 15 and 15, 30. And another 15, 45. There you go. That's a lot of quacks. On my way to Grandma's, I saw 2 fat cows. Each cow had two calves. Each calf had 4 skinny legs. How many fat cows were there? 1, 2. Each cow had 2 calves. So how many calves? 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's 4 calves. How many legs were there in all? Oh my goodness. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, we can count by twos again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 legs in all. Ooh, clowns. On my way to the circus, I saw 2 colorful clowns. Each clown was holding 1 bunch of balloons in each hand. Each bunch had 5 bright balloons. Okay, so how many colorful clowns were there? 2. 1, 2. How many bunches of balloons were there? So they had 1 in each hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many bright balloons were there in all? So each bunch is 5. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 balloons. All right. Oh, some trucks. On my way to the freeway, I saw 4 huge trucks. Each truck had 2 long trailers. Each trailer had 4 giant letters. Oh my goodness, that spelled Acme. So how many huge trucks were there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many long trailers were there? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then how many giant letters were there in all? Well, let's count. So there's 4 here. So let's see. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 32 letters in all. It's okay to use your fingers. Just letting you know. Sometimes I have to use my fingers. On my way to lunch, I ate 2 juicy oranges. Each orange had 8 slices. Each slice had 2 small seeds. Let's see. How many juicy oranges were there? 1, 2. How many slices were there? So 8 and 8 are 16. And how many seeds were there in all? Let's see. Let's count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Right, because 8 times 2 is 16. So 16, then 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. There you go. 16 and 16 are 32. Oh, nests in a tree. Let's see if we can do this one. On my way to the store, I saw 4 trees. Each tree had 3 birds' nests. Each bird's nest had 2 spotted eggs. All right, so how many trees were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds' nests were there? So 4 trees, 3 birds' nests each. We could count them all, or we could do 4 times 3. Who remembers 4 times 3? 12, right? Because there's 6, and there's 6, and that's 12. How many spotted eggs were there in all? Oh, all right, we got 12 nests, and there's 2 eggs in each, so 12 times 2. Who thinks they know what it is? 24. 24 eggs. Should we double check? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. It's always good to check your work, just in case. Oh, now we got, on my way to my friend's house, I bought 3 bags of gumballs. Each bag had 3 small boxes inside. Each box contained 6 gumballs. How many bags of gumballs were there? So 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of gumballs. How many small boxes were there? So 3 bags, 3 small boxes in each. So if we say 3, 6, 9. How many gumballs were there in all? So 9 times 6. There's a trick I used to do with 9s. So if you take this, all right, so 6 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 54, 5, 4, 54. We're not going to count them all. That's what it is. On my way home, I passed 3 yellow houses. Each house had 3 red flower pots. Each flower pot had 5 blue flowers. How many yellow houses were there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many red flower pots were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many blue flowers were there in all? Well, there's 5 blue flowers in each pot, so we can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 beautiful flowers. Oh, let's see what we got now. Before my bedtime, I read 2 books. Each book had 10 big pages. Each page had 1 pretty picture. So how many books were there? Oh, 2. Read 2 books. How many big pages were there? Oh, 10. 10 big pages in each book. And how many pretty pictures were there in all? So if we have 10 pages in each book, 10 times 2 is 20. And if there's 1 pretty picture on each page, 20 times 1, 20. You got it. And let's see. On the last page of the last book, I found this poem. As I was going to St. Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Every wife had 7 sacks. Every sack had 7 cats. Every cat had 7 kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, and wives. How many were going to St. Ives? Oh, it's a riddle. It says, answer, just 1 person. Me. That's funny. Well, I hope you had fun counting with me today and doing some multiplication, because that's really important to do, and remember to keep up with our mathematics skills as well. And I hope you have a mathematical Monday.